Forget the gym brothers and their iron temples. I'm about to drop some truth bombs that will shatter your muscle building myths. You don't need weights to get jacked. Your own body is the ultimate weapon. Let's unlock its potential. If you're ready to break your limits and sculpt the physique you've always dreamed of, then Bulk Up Bro is your channel. It's time to ditch the excuses and embrace the power of bodyweight training. Let's break down the science behind hypertrophy and how you can leverage your own body weight to achieve your muscle building goals. The science of hypertrophy. Remember, hypertrophy is all about increasing the size of your muscle fibers. And just like with weightlifting, bodyweight training can create those microscopic tears in your muscle fibers that signal your body to repair and rebuild, leading to muscle growth. The key is to understand how to manipulate leverage and intensity to challenge your muscles effectively. Bodyweight exercises for hypertrophy. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here are some of the best bodyweight exercises to pack on serious muscle. First up, we've got pike push-ups. These bad boys really target your shoulders and upper chest. You're basically doing a push-up with your hips raised high, forming an upside-down V with your body. Want to take it to the next level? Try handstand push-ups. Now, these are tough, but they'll blast your shoulders and triceps like no other. Just make sure you've got a wall for support. Next, we can't forget about pull-ups. A classic for a reason. Pull-ups are amazing for building a wide, powerful back. Remember to focus on controlled movements and a full range of motion to really work those muscles. Now, let's move on to dips. You can use parallel bars or even a sturdy chair. Dips are killer for your triceps and chest. Just make sure you're using good form to avoid any injuries. For legs, you can't go wrong with squats. They work your quads, glutes, and hamstrings all at once. And if you're feeling adventurous, try some pistol squats for a real challenge. Lunges are another great option for legs. Forward, reverse, walking lunges. They all work. They'll really hit those quads, glutes, and hamstrings. And finally, don't forget about your calves. Calf raises are simple but effective. You can do them on a flat surface or with your heels elevated for an extra burn. Maximizing your body weight training. Now, let's talk about how to get the most out of your body weight workouts. Here are some key tips to maximize your gains. First and foremost, progressive overload is key. You need to gradually challenge your muscles by increasing the difficulty of your exercises. This could mean doing more reps, adding more sets, or trying more challenging variations of the exercises. Next up, proper form is crucial. Always focus on maintaining good form throughout each exercise. This will not only help you maximize muscle activation, but also prevent injuries. Consistency is another important factor. Make bodyweight training a regular part of your routine, and stick with it consistently to see results. And of course, don't forget about nutrition. Make sure you're eating enough protein and calories to support muscle growth and recovery. Finally, rest and recovery are essential ****. Give your body adequate time to recover between workouts to allow for muscle repair and growth. Get enough sleep, manage stress, and listen to your body. Building muscle without a gym is entirely possible. By incorporating these bodyweight exercises and principles into your routine, you can achieve impressive hypertrophy. Remember, consistency and proper form are key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. If you love this video, you'll probably like the next one.